When it comes to landing page software, the debate often comes down to Unbounce versus ConvertKit. Which one is the best? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today, and by the end, you'll know which software is truly worth your investment and which might leave you wanting more. Stick around because I'll also share a better alternative, one that could change how you think about landing page builders. Let's start with Unbounce. It's been around for a while, and it's a popular choice for marketers who need flexible landing pages that can convert. Unbounce drag and drop editor is really intuitive. You can create landing pages quickly without needing any coding skills. Plus, their templates are responsive and customizable, which makes it easy to match your brand style. But here's the kicker. Although Unbounce is great for creating landing pages, it's a little expensive, especially when you factor in the add-ons like A/B testing and advanced features. This can add up fast if you're working with a limited budget. Next thing, let's talk about ConvertKit. ConvertKit is mainly known as an email marketing platform, but they've expanded their toolkit to include landing page creation as well. It's designed to help creators and small businesses build an email list. The landing page builder is pretty straightforward and integrates seamlessly with its email marketing features. So if you're looking to connect your landing pages directly to your email campaigns, ConvertKit is a strong contender. But the design customization is somewhat limited compared to Unbounce. You don't have as much control over the look and feel of your landing pages, which could be a deal breaker if you want something a bit more unique. The fourth thing to note is the pricing. Unbounce can be pricey, especially if you're a small business or just getting started. It has a higher entry point, but it does come with more advanced tools and capabilities. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is more affordable, especially if you're already using their email marketing software. However, if you want the full functionality of ConvertKit's landing page builder, you'll need to be on one of their higher tier plans. Another thing is the ease of use. Unbounce is feature-rich, which can sometimes feel overwhelming. Sure, it offers lots of flexibility, but you may need to spend more time learning how to make the most out of all the tools. ConvertKit, however, is much simpler and is great for beginners who don't want to deal with a steep learning curve. The user experience is much more streamlined, but like I said earlier, that simplicity can come at the cost of flexibility. Now let's get into the important stuff, performance and results. Both Unbounce and ConvertKit are capable of producing high-converting landing pages, but Unbounce A/B testing and optimization features give it an edge if you're really focused on performance. It's built to allow marketers to tweak and test everything down to the smallest detail. ConvertKit's landing pages, while decent, don't have the same level of detailed optimization features. If you're someone who's constantly tweaking and optimizing, Unbounce might be your best bet. But here's the twist. While Unbounce and ConvertKit are solid tools, after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative. It's an easy-to-use, affordable platform that's built with all of the features you need for high-converting landing pages, and it's not just another email marketing tool. If you want to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits for the software, just click the first link in the description. Trust me, it's the best deal for anyone serious about landing page software. In conclusion, both Unbounce and ConvertKit have their strengths, but if you want something more powerful and affordable, then this better alternative is definitely worth checking out. So, go ahead and take advantage of the free trial. It's a no-brainer.